Okay, so our next step is we're going to install some panels. Let's talk about an ACM panel. An ACM panel stands for aluminum composite material, and then what that means is there's two skins of aluminum compressing a core. Now that core can be either polyethylene or a fire-rated core. Please make sure that you reference your architect drawings or call your local building inspectors to make sure that you are using the right core for the right application. We carry 5 colors of the polyethylene core: silver metallic, galaxy black, acorn gray, slate, and white. Okay, so we have lots of panels in stock with all the extrusions. Reach out to your territory manager to find out what you need. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop in the bottom side. So it's between the clip and the back there. Okay, because we measured twice, cut once. There we go. I'm going to slide over a bit. All right, nice and tight, nice and snug. So the reason why I'm not putting this vertical one on first is because I have an inside corner right here that is a fixed end. We're going to do that corner first so this panel will hold into place. So that way we don't have to hold this panel anymore. It's holding by this edge, and then we can start moving this way, okay? We have to peel back the Danco around all the edge, right? So I just go back a couple inches, okay? That way you don't get any of this film stuck behind the caps, okay? And you notice I'm going in one direction. I want to keep my panels all in one direction. It is a solid, so I'm not too concerned about that. I always like to just make it so when you're on the wall, it looks good. You want to see the name. Now that we've obviously secured, we have our outside corner here, we have our cap here. We have 2 edges we can get this panel in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to slide that panel in and against here. Okay, nice, beautiful. Okay, so we have a nice clean finish. We can now focus on this corner, so let's get this panel in. Okay, look at that. Oh, there we go. Nice fit. Good job. Okay, so those 2 vertical installs are now complete, and we'll just remove these Dancos off.